They right here. Behind the thing, right there. Shoot him this way.
You gotta yell. You gotta yell at it. Oh my God, where'd they come from? Get out of here! Don't come back! Get out of here!
Okay, Kai, just stand on the...
Where'd it go?
Get it!
Where is it?
Oh my God.
It's in the bag! Try to get it out. It's in the bag! Go, go, go!
Don't go that way, Kai. Put some water right there.
Go, 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 go!
There you go. Go ahead to the right. Go, 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 go. Run. No, 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 no. The chicken in the house. There's a chicken in the house.
What is it? It's in the house!
Open the door. Why is he move?
It's in the house!
Oh my God, it's on the table. Hey, get it! It's right here by the TV! Pull the TV out! Pull the TV! It's right there! It's right there! Where you go? Close the door! Close the door! Go, Casey, go! Open the gate! Open the gate!
There's a chicken on the loose! There's a chicken on the loose!
Open the gate over here! Open the gate, Giselle! Push it open, just push it. Oh, yeah.
I think the head is stuck in there.